Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney and if you are new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be doing this look. As you can see here, I used the Gingerbread Spice palette for today's look and I am in love with this palette. It smells amazing, first of all. The colors are just gorgeous, as you can see. So I've created this cut crease using all the colors from the palette. I will be showing you how I did this look today, and if you want to see how, please stay tuned. Okay, so I am going to first fix my brows. As you can see here, I'm missing a piece of brow because I accidentally shaved it off. Yeah. So to fix my brow, I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. So to clean up my brow, I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in the color Deep. And to fix up the front of my brow a little bit, I'm taking Espresso from NYX Microbrow pencil. So I'm going to go ahead and take the Tarte Shape Tape Tan concealer and I'm going to place that on my lids. Okay guys, so next I'm going to be moving on to the Gingerbread Spice palette. I'm gonna go in with gingerbread first. I'm going to wipe that brush off and then I'm going to go in with the same brush, the Morphe E22. I'm gonna dip into this beautiful purpley pink shade here called Figgy Pudding. And then I'm going to just pack that a little bit right under that pink, just to give it a little bit more depth. Next, I'm going to pick up this shimmery color called Ooh Burn. Next, I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Tan, and I'm going to take that previous synthetic brush that I used earlier on my lids, and I'm going to put that on my lid as a cut crease. Okay, so next I'm going to go into Reindeer Paws just to kind of deepen the crease a tad bit more, and that's this brown color right here. And I'm going to go right above my cut crease and just deepen that area a tad bit more. Next I'm going to go in to Hot Toddy, which is probably my favorite shade, this color right here. It's probably my favorite shade in the palette because it's pink on one side, and then if you turn it, I don't know if you guys can see, but it turns gold if you turn it to a certain angle, and it's just so pretty. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but hopefully you can see it on my eye because it's just absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to take that concealer synthetic brush, the Morphe 224 brush, and I'm just going to pack it on like so. I'm going to add glitter to my cut crease now, and I'm going to be adding this holographic white and mixing it with this pink, and I'm going to place that right where my cut crease starts to deepen a little bit. And I'm also using the NYX Glitter Prime as an adhesive for the glitter. Alright, just to brighten up the under the eyebrow a little bit, I'm going to take some spiced eggnog here and I'm going to just pop that underneath my eyebrow. Okay guys, so I am going to finish up with the other eye and then I will be right back. Next I'm going to move on to the face and then I'm going to finish under my eyes later. So I'm going to start off priming my face with the e.l.f. Poreless primer. Next I'm going to try a new concealer today. I'm going to try the Milani Perfect Conceal 2-in-1 Foundation and Concealer. Conceal and Perfect. Milani's Conceal and Perfect. I'll get it together one day. And this is in the color Nutmeg. So next I'm going to conceal using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. And this is in the color Tan 50. And I'm also going to be using my favorite concealer, the Fenty Beauty Matchstix in the color Espresso. And I'm going to take my medium deep Fit Me Loose powder and I'm going to just carve out any areas in the highlight underneath my eyes. Then I'm going to be taking a contour brush and a contour kit that I've been using for years. This is a Sephora number 40 angled blush brush, but it's perfect for contouring as well. And I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit and mixing these two colors together. And I'm just going to carve out my face a little more. Next, I'm going to be going underneath my eyes with the similar colors that I used in my crease here, the Gumdrop and the Figgy Pudding from the Gingerbread palette. And I'm just going to be placing that right underneath, kind of smoking out the bottom lash. I'm taking Warm and Toasty, this gold here. I'm going to place that in the corner of my eye. Before I go in with any lashes or mascara, I need to hydrate my face, so I'm going in with the MAC Fix Plus. Next, I'm taking my NYX Epic Ink Liner, and I'm going to just line my eyes. So for the lips, I'm going to be using a brown liner. You can use pretty much any lip liner for this. I'm using the Prestige waterproof lip liner. Then I'm going to go in with my favorite lipstick at the moment, which is the lip paint from Fenty Beauty called Uncuffed. Okay guys, well that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and if you guys like this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys again soon.